Should you still invest in the Armory Pass? Today we're going to talk about the Armory Pass and the big question everyone's asking right now. Is it still worth it to invest? As always, guys, it's just my opinion and not a financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm personally doing with my own investments. So unless you've been living under a rock, you have seen the update that announced certain collections will be removed from the Armory Pass. Since then, prices for the Armory Pass and related items have skyrocketed. I throw a graph on the screen so you can see exactly what I mean. It's gonna be like crazy after the announcement, and it dropped a bit because the FOMO went a bit away. That's pure FOMO, guys. Fear of missing out. People suddenly realize these collections are going away and they're rushed in way too late. Some even paid ridiculous prices. The main ones here are obviously the graphic collections, the character craft, stickers, and the gallery case. Now, personally, I've been thinking a lot about the gallery case especially, and honestly, I'd skip it. I'm not confident there, guys. I've gone back and forth on it, but for me, it's nothing worth touching for me personally. But here's the truth, guys. The train has already left the stations on this collection. On these collections, they're massively overpriced now, and I'm not looking to chase overvalued items. What I'm looking at, though, are other Armory items. But before I show you what I'm personally investing in, I want to do a quick giveaway. To take part of it, all you need to do is leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. I will be giving away 2 Dynadog charms worth around 16 bucks. One is worth around 8 bucks. So there will be 2 winners. So trust me, guys, it's worth hitting that subscribe button. Plus, it really helps me to grow this channel. Thanks. Alright, back to the topic. Because here's the thing, guys. This update confirmed one really important detail. Eventually, all of these collections will be removed. We don't know when, we know it will happen. And while the announced the removed collections have already jumped 200-400% in price, the rest of the items have barely moved. Some even dropped in price. Some, like certain charms, have actually dropped to a multi-week low, guys. For me, that's a golden opportunity. I'm continuing to buy underrated charms whenever I have the balance of funds available. Here's why. People rarely buy just one charm. They usually buy several for their loadout. Supply is not as endless as people think. I don't believe we have enough charms to cover hundreds of thousands of players if demand really kicks in. Prices are still crazy low. The most expensive charm right now is around 55 bucks, the hot oil charm. That's nothing compared to the potential upside. And here's another key point. These charms haven't been pumped by the Chinese investors. That's actually a huge positive sign for me, because the growth so far has been organic. Just have a look at the Stockholm stickers, the Evil Genius, and the Renegade stickers. A few days ago, they were selling for hundreds of dollars. They got pumped to the moon, and now they're getting dumped. From 400 bucks to 40 bucks just in a few days. And I've been talking about charms for a month. I'm investing since the beginning of the year. And yeah, some people were laughing at me. And to be fair, they're the point. I mean, it was a really risky move at first, but so far it's paid off. Even though I was early, I'm still buying charms today because I think they are massively underrated. So guys, no, nothing is risk-free in Counter-Strike investments, but charms come close in my opinion. Why? Because I see them exactly like old operation items. Once they are out of the Armory Pass, they are gone. No trade-ups, no cases, no alternative sources. Obviously, the last time you had an operation was 4 years ago, or player base was much smaller, but there's a difference. You don't buy just one charm, you'll buy multiple of charms. So I don't mind the supply, guys. I don't mind if there are thousands and thousands of charms. I don't mind it because just myself, I'm owning a lot of charms. And I have a lot of charms applied on my weapons, not only my investing charms. So guys, of course, Valve could always bring them back. That's one risk. But until they actually do that, the supply is capped. And that's why I see them as a strong long-term play, guys. So to wrap it up, guys, the graphic collections, character craft, and the gallery case, this ship has sailed, prices are inflated, I'm skipping. The rest of the Armory items, especially charms, that's why I see the best opportunity right now, as a long-term play. Again, this is just my opinion, not a financial advice. I'm simply showing you guys what I'm personally doing. If you found this helpful, guys, drop a like, subscribe for more CS2 market content, and let me know in the comments what you think about the charms and my Armory investment, and let me know what you want to see next, guys. I mean, if you say what you want to see next, you're helping me to get new topics for new videos, obviously, and maybe we could help each other with investments. See ya.